So today I'm gonna play Stick War, one of the first game when Crazy J made it. But if you're watching this, like and subscribe. But if you don't, it's okay. You can just chill out and watch. Sorry, I have a bad cough today. But yeah, I can talk, but I every time have to spit. Let's skip the intro. Okay, I have load, but I will do begin the campaign. I have to not do insane because it says only at stick page, not this, only the normal one. So I'll just save it before if I go back and it will be gone. I'll just skip the tutorial because I already know what how I need to do. Okay, I have to make that unit and go. And this is my club man. So yeah, I'm gonna speed, but I will make this video in parts. And yeah, these are the AIs, okay? Let's go! So I will just upgrade my scroll graph. So if you're watching this, so bye, like and subscribe. If you want to, you can, but if you don't, it's okay. Bye!